guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be all about the new releases in my shop. I know some of you guys aren't interested in this content, so if this is not your thing, go ahead and click on the X and I will catch you guys in my next video. But if you do want to see what's new in the shop this week, stick around and we're going to go through it. Alright, so we have a new format. I have not shown this on YouTube yet, so I'm so excited to share with you guys the new format. I released a kit a couple weeks ago in this format, but I wasn't able to film that. So I'm finally getting around to filming this week's new releases and showing you guys the new format. So we'll start with the new full kit format. So this is our Easter kit. You just get 8, these are not half boxes. I can't talk this morning. You just get 8 full boxes and then some little like label stickers. Then you get another full box, because I know when I did a poll, it was mixed. Some people wanted just 8, some people wanted 9. So I threw in the extra one here. And then you have your sidebar trackers, some little half box checklists, and then all of your headers. You have washi strips, some labels, and then your like little thing labels. Then you have a functional sheet. I put in 2 weekend banners, so that way if you wanted to use this 2 weeks, you could, or if you wanted to use some stickers in your Erin Condren or Happy Planner, and then some in your personal planner, you still would have like enough stickers to do that. Then you have all the icons, the scripty icons, and then just some little like new release $2 Tuesday sticker sale and no spin stickers. Here we have our date cover-ups, the date dots, the hydrate stickers. Then we have a to do, to clean, to buy, to go, like half box checklist, a flight info sticker, and then half boxes. The reason I put a flight info sticker in here is because I'm the kind of person that I really like to match stuff. So if I'm like going somewhere, I want to have something that's going to match the kit. So I figured I would just throw one in there for you guys. On this page you have half boxes, quarter boxes, a currently reading sticker, 3 bill dues, 4 habit trackers, and then these little scallop labels. Then you have your ombre heart checklist and some more labels across the bottom. And then on this page you have your checklist, work labels, a movie night sticker, some flags, some little asterisk circle dot things, and then 2 strips of washi. Instead of doing like the big thick washi, I broke it down into 2, and that way you could do like a layering look to it, or if you had like simply gilded washi or any other kind of washi, you could like layer it with like one of these if you wanted to. So that is the Easter kit, the full kit. You can purchase the glitter headers as an extra like add-on. And then we have the mini kit. So the mini kit is 4 pages. Oh, the other thing I'm gonna mention about the full kit is all of those sheets, you can either get bundled into the full kit or you can purchase each sheet separately in the listing. You can only do that on the website. On Etsy, it's all bundled together. But on the website, you can pick everything up a la carte if you want. The mini kit doesn't come a la carte, it's just bundled into 4 pages. But I know that I added 2 more pages to the full kit, so the price went up a little bit, and I didn't want you guys to not be able to get what you wanted, so I decided to break the big kit up into a la carte as well. So obviously if you get them all bundled, it's cheaper than if you were to buy each sheet separately. But if like you don't want, like let's say you don't want the full boxes, you don't have to purchase them. You could get everything else but the full boxes, if that makes sense. Or if the mini kit's not enough for you, you could purchase like another sheet if you wanted. The mini kit comes with 8 full boxes, some labels. Then you have a couple headers and a couple like little thing labels. You get your date covers, date dots, and 1 strip of washi. You get this functional sheet, and the only change on this is I added these scallop labels instead of another weekend banner. Then you get 4 half boxes up here, 3 down here, 4 quarter boxes, your checklist, a sidebar tracker, a habit tracker, bill due, currently reading, some flags, and a movie night. So that is the mini kit format. And like I said, on the website you can purchase stuff a la carte. So I've tried to make it like a better thing for you guys. You can pick what you want. So if you don't want the full kit, you're not like wasting stickers, because I know I hate that when I buy a kit and there's so many stickers in it, but I feel like I can't use them all. So I tried to break it up, and that way you can only purchase what you need or what you want. All right, the next collection, I'm so excited about this one. This is our Hello Spring collection. So here are the glitter headers. Then you have these gorgeous full boxes. Like, I love them. And you have, I'm not gonna go through everything because it's the same as the other kit, but I'll just show you guys the sheets. And that was the full kit. And then here's the mini kit. All right, and so that is our Hello Spring collection. And now we're moving into April monthlies. You guys, I really love monthly stickers, and I really love the April designs. So this one I did an Easter theme, and this one is for the Erin Condren. Don't mind the stickers that are cut a little off. My machine was having a problem. But your stickers will not be cut like this. They will be perfect, don't worry. So here's the second page. Our monthly kits have not changed the format, but I did want to show you guys like how they were looking. This is the second monthly kit option, and it's like a springtime butterfly kind of feel. And then we have our Happy Planner monthly kits. These are for the classic Happy Planner monthly layout. So you just have the same thing, the April. And then the Easter one. All right, guys, so that is it for this week's new releases. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more planner related content, Etsy related content, lifestyle, just anything like that. Make sure you subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell notification so that way you're notified when I upload. Also, I'm gonna have a coupon code right here for you guys, so that way you can save a little bit of money on these kits. Yeah, that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.